Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This video is, as you can see, on my walking robot made of fischertechnik, running Linux and programmed in Python. Last time I had a power problem and I had a missing leg on this side. Now everything hopefully is quite alright. So let's see if I can, without the visualization that I tried but didn't manage, still get some nice effects in the sense of audio. So, with everything set, as usual, the interface test for battery voltage check, no sonar, so this is kind of alright. Then 2 terminals for the controller, source code and output, and this terminal on really the laptop for the images displaying them. So let's move the camera this way so you can see whatever happens as it should happen. Starting everything, waiting for the camera to connect, 2.5 seconds, and we're gonna speed. That's one hit. And you already see a deviation to the left side. Alright? And now I'm waiting for the end signal from sensor 2. Very nice. Why isn't it doing anything more? Right, there it is. So, first check here. Yep, clear and present signal. So that's alright. I would like to have the signal on here, but well, I've kind of given up on that one. Unless I of course start with turning the robot a little bit to the right side, that it may touch on the left side. But what it is about now is getting images. 3. That's 1. And then obviously this one follows. And of this one I'm much less impressed. So this is the same height. This is red, but I would expect a lot more red here, which is not there. Alright. Actually not alright, but it's the way it is. And then the last couple of images. Right. Now the very last one of this set anyway. Which makes a big difference, as you can see. So here everything that is red is indeed present. So why is this a lousy well, mod with that very good representation, and here there's nothing to complain, absolutely nothing. This makes me happy, this one. So when talking about seeing that sensor on screen, I've put it in a completely different direction. So let's see if I can get something nice out of it. Nothing guaranteed, as usual. Go. Oh, that was quick. What's the battery voltage? It has a display still. Yeah. Okay, that can't be the culprit. Let's go again. Yeah, alright, you can see that this one is being touched very frequently. Front sensor 1, yeah, finally. And also, right here, this front leg is slipping continuously. So what would be the effect if I change the cloth with it? Let's do that. Let's see for a picture, because now I have a few. Copy and paste. Oh, there's not much red in it. Bad choice. But, well, maybe not such a bad choice. Yeah, bad choice after all. It's not a good picture. Because this is the only red, well, this should be red as well. And here's some glimpse of it, which is this. This is no hardly visible. So yeah, this is a very bad choice indeed. Okay. Next attempt with the cloth adjusted. But before I do that, let's first check this. Yep. This time it's I3. That is indeed activated. Very good. Now for the change, I have to lift it and go like this, with another risk, by the way, because now the leg here on this side is off the cloth. So I have to do different. Remove it, spread the cloth. Oops, move the camera. Have it like this. A little bit here, so it can walk. And then see whatever happens. Let's go. Yep, that's a very definite hit. If I only can see it. Yeah. Very front sensor 1 and 2 are activated. Now I have to wait for this to finish. that's the finished. And then look here, yep, both are activated. So that's good. Battery voltages. No, battery voltage. Okay, 8.9, 9.0. I don't mind. So that is good. Some pictures as well. Let's check. Alright, wait. Yep. And then this one as well. Yeah, fairly good. No complaints. No complaints from me in this situation at all. Everything that is there, or that should be there, is there. And a very nice situation as well. And this is a clear picture. Everything is just impressed. Activated. Good. Right, so I decided to look at the data file, which here says no front sensor detected, and here front sensor 1, and here both front sensors detected. So that indeed is a very nice result. Just the active voltage of both batteries make no sense. No sense at all. Not quite sure, because I'm using just the reference that is given me through the API, but apparently a wrong measurement somehow. Alright, with this clearly set, still regretting after all this time, since I purchased the parts for this robot and the other robot, by the way, the Discovery, that on Linux I cannot watch the camera live. If that would be the case, I would have had some opportunity here to get a camera, which I don't. And this program is a Windows program, not Linux, so I have to use Wine to run this, and that's also prohibiting, probably, most likely, to view this camera image live. Right, next. Walking distance, large distance, that is a problem, because as you have clearly seen a couple of times now, the diversion to the left. How to prevent that? A guideline, a ruler, some bar that it can't escape. Like something here that it can't, that it guides it to the front. But what to use for it? That's a very big question. I have no idea. Something of made of aluminium or something. Could be. Something else. Fischertechnik could be. Well, aluminium bars are from fischertechnik, by the way, but anyway, that is a possibility. On the other hand, the thing is also that I want it to be steered, because that is one of the objectives of this camera, that if it spots something reddish here, that it goes here. Does it spot something reddish over there, that it goes there. So I can't guide it, because then I can't divert into the direction that I want it. But with the diversion that it has already by now, it's useless. So I have to come up with a plan. And that has to wait for another time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. You can also support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by becoming a patron. Please see my website for more information under this video. This is going to be continued. For now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.